Good morning mga kami. Good morning. So Mikhail is making his choco. Okay. Yan. Shalosh. Arbe. Yo. Okay. 1. So, tinuturuan ko siya mga kami to make his own chocolate sa drink para alam niya ba. More because you didn't take a lot. Yo. Okay, enough. Rak ihad. Harbe. Okay. Yeah, Yuffie.
I make it.
You make it? So now give me. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot water. Okay, now mix it. Slowly. Tapos lalagyan natin ng milk.
Milk? I know it.
Finish it. Yo. You want more milk? Or that's enough?
Enough.
Okay, pwede.
I make it. More.
So, ayan. Tapos na yung kanyang choco. You're a smart boy?
This is me.
Really?
Really.
Wow. Good job. So, papasok kami ng school again, mga kami. Good morning. And, ako is late. Ako papasok sa work. So, you want chocolate? You want cookie?
Okay. Chocolate cookie.
So, ganito yung breakfast niya every time. Okay.
Oh.
I also gave you in the school, okay?
Okay.
Okay, lalalis ko choco. Very good. Good mood yung baby natin for today's video. Gumising siya ng napakaganda ng mood. Ayan, taray. And here is for mommy, the heart. Baruch ata Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei minim misunot.
Amen.
Ma.
Baruch Adonai
Shakol.
Nihal Baruch.
Amen. Good boy. Very good boy. He almost finished his chocolate. Wow. Wow. De Baruch.
Baruch Adonai
Eloheinu melech haolam borei
Nine Zanu.
Amen.
The ka?
No, you love mommy?
The heart. Your heart, bro.
Do you love mommy?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
Can you give me a kiss?
I already kiss you on my bedroom.
I want more, please.
Why?
Anirutsa o tinishika.
No, but me. We said that.
Anirutsa nishika po. I love you.
I love you. You say
So, good morning. Say good morning.
good morning.
Say bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Tomorrow.